no so be the politics are. Ona na ejini. It wouldn't share now so like empty minded. Yeah.
Coach no cry no. Anya Akufo-Addo na go fa ne bae. Coach we obae Akufo-Addo nim
GFA Ghana Football Association.
Akufo-Addo nim.
So what I say?
Ono dey na go prefer.
Yes sir. But when you not like about politics, right? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Ghana aye wenti no ka ono beboa. And omo propaganda here sabotage say no momo ye Ghana ni no. Mutimi yi ni free ho no na makofa mo de na mdeba. Na Akufo-Addo has nothing to do with sa coach we ya wabano. But Sami Gemfiti we so portrait said ye. Na me sa boy ni de me say nyame mana hoden. Na onyin na almost out for no money adwen pa Ghana ho no ensese wo wonyin na wo me hu Ghana dachi me pese sa nkofo ni nyina be hu Ghana dachi because Ghana ye wa dachi na wabok na kwakura na otini we ho no na for the necessary na say say na kameti mi aye bibi say de aboa me man na mi di abro ene ensem ensese me kan ye obi a di ha de ni wi a na akwaje asase so esro de no so ayede aka ho because tribal say ma mini Abdullah ken e no kre ba Abdullah tribalism everything ye nua man this for ya na de ba tribalism ye nua man this for ya na de ba ukọ Ghana sabi asantini timi ware not na otimi ware votarian otimi ware we nkroma say enu tina kuma ya boarding house de buy and send ya intermarriage obi ko no akonya classmate wa ha into we ko school wa ha na we free obi free no ba Greater Accra no obi free no akọ Ashanti region enti na matimi aka to avoid that tribalism no but eye na that tribalism no free ya papa Rollins na this ade ani ba Ghana o ya papa Rollins and obet time akanfo ni and as I force to do so the whole Ghana, omo do I can't kasa no. Eso kati across baby. So what I say, and first no who nua we anyway ya. But omo decide try end this for no. Omo say catch ram as I form pe masem, we form pe masem when you went dey bia na ekọ onipa no akọ school say dey kra na. Wo hu ni nua we ye we. Wonya hu say wo catch pe no wa start town.
Sister, Ghana your problem can say pa your Ghana politics. NDC ever so power, NPP ever so power. But NDC for no there.
NDC for
condemn no more condemn Ghana and what? Lutra me nya no.
Ashanti region. So be who say your friend is say.
Condemn no. They say condemn share. They say kra oba ha. Obeti sara bitimi ebi say inti Ghana pa like mo president no. They are why almost some any social media platform be attack on the government. Attack on the government. Say, oh, they are doing propaganda. Propaganda. I don't know between NDC and NPP. So they say propaganda. Like any concrete evidence. Over the better say I didn't say it. I'm not saying it. Only concrete evidence. So they will just be there insulting. Some big exposés. Say, Nana ko say, Nana do obi akwanda dey there is na propaganda. So if we engineer obegi edi no. Na say no unim dey ekọ. We hwe edwuma ni kokoro no ye. Edwuma oye edwuma na so onye. That's the main thing.
Onu obi akoda no.
Edwuma na so be free education wa ya na so wanye. Mimi ya no high school once the pramantia
imagine
for so like no that's the benefit like affecting the na for so
Andrew so we no go school kakra but we say go school for money say
for real
who say na kwasa samko a ena de tell say go school brand new prepare school fees Chale
me so for it me
Ghana according to the say yetimi amasuku a free ada na criticizing
Chale me say free education nko ade o eno nko a it say no me problem ne say oh bibi say na em ya but mostly the young shady nana beye. Almost 80% is done. Almost 80% is done.
Yes.
So what you say? Almost 80%.
There was a passer watching.
So
Ghana no and now I can be
MPP. Serious one. So yeah, you know how it was. Yeah, I'm listening to you.
Ghana, 8 years.
Yeah, for real.
Can you do this? I walk on school now. No power being. What be asking me? I wear power.
Yes. Look at.
Yeah, we be lucky. But Abrabobi ani e walk Ghana ni prebi ani e fam. And send the church school fees.
Yes.
I don't know.
It's not easy. It's not easy.
Oh, it is.
To say no, I am free from.
Do or die affair 2024. Nobody can contest Mahama, Kevin Taylor. Mahama will be stupid. Mahama and yes, will be stupid. Or say Mahama is stupid. He used the word. Yes. Mahama is stupid to think that I'm working for him because one man salary. Papa no Satan will lose election. Internet or miss canco. Who could be say don't get your woman and I know BSC canco or lose you internet wire hot. What the Akakra name by Yentino? Osi Mahama is stupid to think that you are working for him. Yet you are wearing a Mahama do or die shirt. Yet you are for Mahama. Who are you fooling? Ah, what a gentleman. If I come from that, let's see the two of them. First our picture we win. That's a picture name. I bet you for look at him. Hey, in fact, passing I miss Rawa no Shirawo. Hey, most of Kufuor we dia. There be omo kan ye nkyerem. Kufuor most we dia. 70 plus. Ntina nkopon shira ba wo so kra na afedi wonam ni na tumi sesa ya akwala honam sa. Boy yeah. Okay, to me cost run na ye hu amani mu anka be boa wo. Na mo hwe obi ne papa he. Aha, wa he o. Me pa to enkrofo mienu we hu na anyini. Ah, Ghana for pa de mo Ghana for pa de yem pa de pa o. Hey. Ado dan kwa ye tu no. Urate. Hwe ni ko to bi. Chese kwa do dan kwa ye tu no papa yenya o de chese my way there chese wo ye preman ni Akufo do preman. Hey. Kwa ku preman. So boy. Free SHS man am pano waye. Planting for food was my one district, one warehouse, why? One district, one factory, was my hey. Was also so rough. Oh yeah. Yeah, no more so there. Everybody to your Jimmy Simon Kwao. You know crap on Lennon, no crash, no crap on point. You know pressure room. This is a 70 plus year old and a 50 or 60 plus year old. And a muhuno. Akokrana yes watching there uno. Look how he looks. Compared to Abranti and say. On the cognac to me nipa. Mama best friend, I'm on for a quick near call and let me close. I'm only picking a few calls. Like I said, two calls because time no call.